Kublai pi baro ki bapet ikni ketuk kubor bakar pangjongi upet ngor cable news. Tang hadin cisngi bag Presiden Jongkari kelemenjur ya kejing ajeng mot jong sorkar pedeng banwengno ya kejing sencar Presiden hagani kejela. Menta kesngi ulat kejela uranji Shekhar Mushahari ulapin sema ya sorkar senrop thamai ka Meghalaya United Alliance kabalong hapo kejing lam khamat jong keseng Kongres. Hagani sorkar thamai nalor ke Kongres kababon pat layatrai langru bat keseng UDP kumjo bat weu MLA Shimet. Hagani kesngi haswa ban pensma ki hinyongut ki menteri jongani ke sorkar nagaliang Chief Secretary ke Jala Ranjan Chatterjee ula pulis wa ke chithi balapha de President Jongkari ka Pratibha Devi Singh Patel halor ke jingweng no jongka ya ke jing senchar President hagani ke Jala. Hadian kane ulat pensma shwa ki hinyongut ki MLA kum ki menteri jongani ke sorkar bagan thop yu Dr. Didi Lapang komu menteri rangba ke Jala bad yu Dr. Mupal Sangma komu Deputy Chief Minister. Ki waipat ki belasha pensmai hakane kesngi ki ban shimti ya kam menteri ki kenthop yu Dr. Roy Tracy lalu uba J Lingdo na ke UDP Martin M Dango ikong Amprin M Lingdo baru AT Mandal. Hagane kesngi na kaliang keseng Kongres baro ki MLA kilawan ban sakhi ya kane ke jing pensma ya kane ke sorkar thamai. Na kaliang ke UDP ru na lor kinong yalam bakenthop yu Dr. Don Kupar Roy bad uba JD Rembai ledon langru ki wei ki MLA. Ki waipat ki bledon lang ki kenthop yu Secretary ke AICC badai khmi ekne than Shitailam Mingi UL Falero Menteri Ketenat Kakot Kekhya jong Kejela Assam u Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma MP Berem Kejela uba PR Kendia bat kiwei.
To the Constitution of India, as by law established, what shall become known to me, as a Minister of the State of Meghalaya, except as may be required, for the due discharge of my duties, as such Minister.
I, Martin Dango,
do solemnly affirm
that
I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a minister for the state of Meghalaya, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such minister. Congratulations.
Thank you. Your
I, Mujel Amprin Lingdo,
do solemnly affirm
that
I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal
to
any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a minister for the state of Meghalaya, except as may be required for due discharge of my duties as such minister. Congratulations, Sampari.
I, A.T. Mondol,
do swear in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a minister for the state of Meghalaya, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such minister. Congratulations.
Ma, congratulations. Thank you.
In the morning? Early, but okay. I was doing.
Hadian balawai ke jingelang pensma ya kini ke sorkar thamai nilayo ru banya keren bat ki arngut kinong yalam jong ke UDP ki balapan paw ya laki jong kinya halor ka jing peneso jong ki bat ke sorkar senrop MUA bagenthop yu Dr. Don Kupar Roy baduba JD Rembai.
This alliance will stay. I have no doubt about it. From our part, we'll ensure that once we sign the agreement, we'll stick to it.
Sir, 1 year before, in this lawn of the Raj Bhavan, you all were together and the Congress was almost an untouchable. But today you are with the Congress. How did it change, sir?
I never considered Congress to be untouchable.
Yeah.
I just said that since we have formed the MPA should last till the end of the term, but unfortunately didn't.
Yeah.
So what prompted you to actually be the last constituent of MPA to go and truck with the Congress?
That is politics.
Your legislators are not happy. In fact, it came a statement. Even one of your MLA resigned as a secretary of the parliamentary party. What do you have to say on that?
You see, in every party, you'll find that it's difficult to get 100% agreement on any issue. Similarly, in our party, though we are 100% in agreement that we should form alliance with the Congress, but some of our friends are not happy with the numbers of ministers our party gets.
So how will you accommodate them, sir? Their aspirations?
No, the rest will be in chairman and parliamentary secretaries.
No, there is no such. You see, we have to abide by the decision of the majority in the group, because we are small and also we just support the popular government. What we want most is to lift this, to revoke this present rule and restore the popular government as well.
Katkum kajing angno jong pajba banyo ano da kasansar da sorkar kani kajela jungi kani kajing angno jongki kala urlong menta kasingi hadian baulat kajela walapan smai ka sorkar thamai kata ka sorkar MUA handai kajing kali ke bami menta kalong bahato kani ka sorkar kanyai ne hadu ka bakot ka samai ne kan khlam no tang siteng por bat kin mi ki kenrum kenram kumbangila sakhiya kini khendiat singi bralain handai tong ingkerman ba kani sorkar kanyetrei hadu ka bakot ka samai bat kan trei ro na kamenta ka bha kamiat jong pajba kajela nam ta pengor cable news Martin Nongklau Haraj Bhavan Shillong.